Isa lang, kani, isa lang. Kailan ba? Nah, iya, ada awal ni aku. Awal ni saya nan. Okey. Mati kamay. Oh. Ayang.
Ayang.
Tidak di mata ah. Awak muli saya nan. Sila.
Kanya sila na. Mga na tarong.
Kana di hana tumi sikas. Tumi sikas ba? Tumi.
How about the back, honey? Look.
Tangan. Dili pinky na dia. Move it over a little. Kana iso ni gamay sila na ni. Okay. Ay punta na man nila. Kada may na. Iso na ni gamay. Okay, ikagi niya. Gamay. Oh, kagi siya kagi.
So, this is where you can sit.
Likat ko na kayo.
And then your feet, your toes and your feet.
Bangko ay, dakang bangko ba?
Ay,
Ay, kapungi. Kaya mo sulagan nga to.
You don't cover at the back.
Kaulan ba?
Oh yeah.
Igdagan, ngari tambak man sulagan.
Yeah, we're gonna cover maybe from here.
Kabira niya kaya ana, isira niya na.
Here and then go down.
kurang ngapul.
Tango na nakpa na bali ngari. Ha? Tango na bali na to ngari.
You need to take this out and move over there.
Well, yeah, I wish I could. I wish I could because that would give more room. 'Cause, yeah, that'd be great if I could move that before. Yeah. Yeah, and then we'll cut the sides. We'll cut this here. We'll cut this like a design. Come down like a design.
Na, baan pala na.
Taan niya gamay.
Yeah, we'll make a design.
Tama nga pa na.
Design
Kaya
niya.
ngari ba?
Tanaw niya rog di ba na paminaw na.
Ayan, padagan na yan.
Yeah, tell him that you know we
Yeah,
thought
Yung
about
pangwang kahoy pamalit.
yeah, and they tell him we thought about just going from here all the way.
Yang
down.
una dito ra unta kuno na
But
niya
this is
diha.
underwater sometimes.
Pero paminaw niya ang tubig diha ra so nara sa ilawom sa
But if we
tubig.
go here, then you
Kana
gotta
yan na lang
set
isika
the-
diha.
Di na
The thing is, this chair, honey, is the same height as this. But we'll set the wood on top of here. We'll figure that out, honey, how we have to do the layers. 'Cause this is a little higher than this, honey, but not the thickness of a piece of wood. Not
Okay.
the thickness of a 3/8.
Okay, honey, here's your video.
Thank you.
What na kana ra ko ya.
Honey, did you turn it off?
Ang ako day hatag.
Okay, folks, we got the boat flipped. And this is the back end here, how it looks. See right here? We got a big box back here. So what I'm thinking, and I've got a couple of ways to think about this, is I can come from this second step, or this mid step. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, back to what I was saying. I thought I might just lay a 3/8 on here and run it all the way back to here. So it'd be one step like this. The thing is about one step like this is this before was at the what they call it, the draft was up to here and was kind of splashing in here sometimes. So that would always be wet. And I don't know that I want that. So what I may do is try to do some kind of extension from the second step out. The second step is just about 3/8 of an inch or a half an inch higher than this edge, which I'm not sure how to fix it. Well, there's a way to fix it to make it go straight out and all the way back. I could even drop it down, angle it down. That way we'd get more watershed. If water got on it, it would angle down some. But those are my options. But right now, we've got all this thing prepared for side 2 to flip. You know, now that we flipped it, we got the bottom completely done with the copper coat, everything. The bottom's totally done. finished, I think. I'll say I think. Because you'd be surprised what you find out. And then, so I've got to get the wood for this from McCoy's house, all the pieces I cut. And then we'll lay them out here and see how they work out. So anyway, Paradise out.